Good afternoon, all of you.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, when you will start the reasoning?
Beta, after completing the maths syllabus.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Follow, beta.
Sir, when you will start the reasoning?
I said after completing
Sir,
maths
when you
syllabus.
will start the reasoning?
I said after completing maths
Okay, sir.
syllabus. Okay, let us start. So in the last period, I gave you a question which was find the HCF of
Sir, 90 and
35.
108 and 42 and 70 and 30, 45 and 60. And the 35, 70 and 105.
This was the
Yes.
last question. 35, 70 and 105. This was the last question which I have to explain now. I have to tell you the answer of this one. So what is your answer of this question? What is your answer of this question?
2.
2. Array, no, 2 is wrong. So first of all, you do the prime factors of 30 to 35. 5, 7, 7, 1. Now prime factors of 70. 2, 35, 5,
35.
7, 1.
35.
Yes, 35 is the correct answer. 105, 3, 35, 5, 7, 7, 1. So these are the prime factors of three numbers. 35 equal to 5 into 7. 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7. And 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. Okay. Now let's just highlight the common factors. 5 is a
Sir,
common.
5 and 7.
5 and 7 are common prime.
And sir, HCF is 7.
Not 7, 35.
Sir, HCF is 35. 35, sir, 35. Sir, how it can be 35?
HCF इक्वल टू कॉमन फैक्टर्स को दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं 5 into 7 equal to 35. Prime factorization method में you have to multiply the common factors. 5 into 7, 35 is the answer. Understood?
And if there is only one HCF, then
Only one HCF?
sir.
One HCF कैसे होगा बेटा? One ही होता है, सबका HCF एक ही होता है. You mean to say there is only one common factor? ये कहना चाह रहे हो? If there is only one
Yes,
common
sir.
factor, तो एक ही common
Yes,
factor है
sir.
तो वही हो जाएगा. फिर HCF सपोज यहाँ पे 5 कॉमन नहीं होता, सिर्फ 7 कॉमन होता, तो आंसर 7 हो जाता. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I hope everyone has done and everyone has understood. Clear है बेटा? So I am giving you one more question for your practice. HCF का एक और last question मैं दे रहा हूँ. Okay. I hope everyone can do it. Okay, I am giving it. One more last question of HCF. Find the HCF of 28, 14 and 84. Find the HCF of 28, 14 and 84. Start doing.
Sir, we can do two.
Sorry?
Sir, we can do two, sir. This one and one more.
No, this is the last one. इसके बाद we have to start the new topic. ना? We have to start LCM also. That is why. We
Okay,
start the
sir.
new topic after this. So start finding the HCF of 28, 14 and 84. करिए. जल्दी से करके दिखाओ. हाँ जी, have you all done?
Yes,
One?
sir.
Yes, sir, we have done. Sir, I have
Okay.
Sir,
done.
the answer is 14.
No, sir, the
14.
answer is 12.
The answer is
12, sir, 12.
12. 12 कैसे हो सकता है?
No, sir, the answer is 14.
Sir, the answer is 14.
14 is the
Sir,
right
the
answer.
answer is 14.
Yes, correct. So first you do the prime factors of 14. You 14 is divisible by 2, you divide it by 2, so you get 7. Now 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28. First we will divide 28 by 2. We get 14. Again you divide by 2, you get 7. Now divide by 7, you get 1. 84. 84 is divisible by 2. So you get 42. Again by 2, you get 21. Now 21 is divisible by 3. After dividing by 3, you get 7. Again divide by 7, you get 1. Okay, so factors of 14, 2 into 7. 28, the factors are 2 into 2 into 7. And 84, the factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. These are the factors of 84. Okay, now let's highlight the common factors. Common prime factors. 2, तीनों में एक एक 2 देखिए common है. Now, can we take this 2 common? One more 2 can we take common or not? No, because
No, sir.
14 के पास सिर्फ एक ही 2 था, which we have already taken common. So we can take 7 common now. 7. Let's take
Yes,
7.
sir.
So this.
So 7 is the common.
Now 2 and 7 are the common factors. So HCF is equal to 2 into
Sir,
7.
2 into 7 is equals to 14.
14. Very good. 14 is the answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
very good. Now we are going to do the next topic, which is LCM. LCM. Okay. LCM. Write down the heading in your copies, all of you. LCM, least common multiple. This is the heading. Write down the heading in your copies. So I will explain this topic, LCM, with the help of a question. Okay. I'm taking a question. Let's write down the question. The question is, find the LCM of 8 and 12. So don't write the question. अभी अभी आपको question नहीं लिखना है. Don't write it. Just write down the heading. Just write down the heading.
Sir, written.
Sorry, sir, I disconnected. Sir,
Okay. So I hope everyone has written the heading. Now, don't write the question in your copy. I will explain. So first of all, I will explain what is the meaning of the topic LCM. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Least common multiple का meaning क्या है? With the help of this question, I will explain. अच्छा, there are two methods again, like HCF. आपने
least common multiple.
वो तो है ही बेटा, लेकिन वो तो मैंने लिखा हुआ ही है. I am saying that I will explain you the meaning of it. Okay. So HCF में there were you studied two methods. आपने अभी तक दो मेथड पढ़े HCF के. The first method was the simple method, the standard method. HCF का simple method से जो निकाला था, and then you found HCF using prime factorization. फिर आपने बाद में prime factorization से भी किया था. Okay. Same we have to do in LCM also. So LCM में भी we will study two methods. First method is the simple method, and then second method will be the prime factorization method. तो पहले मैं आपको simple method बताऊंगा. Okay. So let's do it. बहुत simple है. So least common multiple. This is the topic. तो यहाँ पर देखिए there is a word use multiple. LCM में क्या use हो रहा है word? Multiple use हो रहा है. Multiples. What is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. तो यहाँ पे multiple use हो रहा है. So we will find the multiples of both the numbers. So let's write the multiples of 8 first. Multiples of 8. Factors नहीं लिखने हैं, multiples लिखने हैं. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and so on. So I have written some multiples of 8. Now some multiples of 12. 12 के भी कुछ multiples मैं यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ, देखो. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. ये हो गए 12 के multiples. Don't write in your copies. I have not told you to write down in your copies. मैंने मना करा है बेटा लिखने को. मैंने सिर्फ ये बोला है कि आपको यहाँ पर देखना है. So least common multiple we have to find out. We have written some multiples of 8 and 12. दोनों के multiples मैंने लिख लिए. Now I will highlight the common multiples. Common multiples यानी कि दोनों में जो common आ रहे हैं. So 24 is a common multiple. ये मैं simple method से बता रहा हूँ अभी. Okay. 24 is a common multiple. I'm not using the prime factorization method. मैं use नहीं करा अभी. So 24 is a common multiple. What else? 48 is also a common multiple. Okay. Now, do you all know what is the meaning of the word least? Least का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of the word least? बेटा least का मतलब क्या होता है? बताइए. Keep your videos on.
The last.
Last होता है. Least का मतलब last होता है.
Sir, least. Sir, छोटा.
हाँ.
Sir, छोटा.
Least का meaning सबसे छोटा. Okay. Smallest, lowest, least, इन सबका सेम ही मीनिंग होता है. स्मॉलेस्ट का मतलब तो पता होगा, जो सबसे छोटा होता है. ओके. तो लीस्ट, कैन यू टेल मी विच इज द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल? यहाँ पर सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल कौन सा है? दैट इज 24.
24.
24. So LCM आपका आंसर आ गया, LCM इक्वल टू 24. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड कि क्या हो गया LCM? लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल.
sir.
कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे कुछ, दो नंबर्स के कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन मल्टीपल जरूर होंगे. उन कॉमन मल्टीपल्स में जो सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल है वो आपको यहाँ पर बताना था. तो LCM इज इक्वल टू 24. अंडरस्टूड? Have you all got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if I give you a question, will you all be able to do it?
Sir, explain one more.
Okay, I will explain one more. First, you all
Then
note down, note down the question number 1 in your copies. Now you all can note down. Question 1 को आप note करिए.
Sir, we have to note down this one question only.
Yes. Question 1 पूरा आप copy में करो. Question 1 in your copies. Okay, so note down the next question, all of you. I hope everyone has done this one. Find the, I'm giving you a very simple question. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. करिए. Use the same method to find the LCM of 4 and 6.
Sir, it is
I'm
very
giv-
easy.
I'm giving you some time to find it yourself. Okay, करो. Yes. Now, have you all done the second question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am. You all can check your answers. I'm telling you.
Sir, answer is 12.
Yes, the answer is 12. Very good. Correct. So check your answers. Okay. LCM of 4 and 6. First, you write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. Now, multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So, common multiples.
Sir,
Common multiples are 12. 12 is a common multiple. And 24 is also a common multiple. 24. But which is the least common multiple? Least common multiple कौन सा है इसमें से? Which one is the least common multiple?
sir, 12.
12. Yes, absolutely
12.
correct. The least common multiple is 12.
12.
ठीक है. HCF में हम हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर देखते हैं, यहाँ पर हम लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल देखते हैं. समझ में आ गया आपको? इजी है. Note down the next question then. Question number 3.
Sir, there are only 3 minutes left.
No problem. Find the LCM of. हो जाएगा बेटा. 3 minutes में I know you all can do it. Find the LCM of 10 and 15. करिए जल्दी से. Find the LCM of 10 and 15.